what role does risk management play in wealth building, and how can individuals protect their assets? Yeah. So what do you think?
Protecting your assets.
Risk management. I know we've mentioned it, like just by the way, from other pointers. But, how can people be calculated, and just not lose?
Do you know that there are these farms that people seem not to trust so much? But these farms are actually built to do risk management for you.
Are you going to mention them?
Insurance companies.
Oh.
That is their core business. Risk management. Yes. They do a lot of risk management. Even if you invest with them, they bear a bulk of your risk.
So if you lose, they compensate?
There are some schemes.
How does that work?
There's some plans that they have where they cushion so that when you get losses, you don't feel it. It doesn't eat up in your capital.
Oh.
Yes.
At all or just a little?
At all.
Okay, now can we know these institutions, or are you going to? Because the thing is now, I don't know how, where you work, and if it would be against company policy mentioning some. So but where can people actually go and find this information though? I would like to know this information. Tell me
Well, I'm
how
attached
much,
to.
Yeah.
Can I say it?
Yeah. You can say.
I'm attached to ICA Lion Group. Yes, I'm attached to ICA Lion Group, and they do have a crop of products that do not touch on your capital. Their business is to manage risks for you so that you can just be safe wherever you are. And when I was talking about the money markets, money markets is the most conservative way of saving, because when there are losses experienced from where they save, they save in company papers. They invest in company papers. They invest only in companies that they know are strong. Yes.
Yeah.
They invest in bonds. They invest in.
So it's a pool of investments when you're working?
It's a pool of investments,
okay.
Yes. So when they declare an interest, yeah, so it's like John invests, Ruth invests, Nafuna invests, and she invests also, yeah? And then we pull it together. So we've got a stronger muscle when it comes to investing, and therefore we get higher returns.
How high are we talking about? Is it like government high, like 16%? What are the returns?
Sometimes even higher, depending on where we invest.
Oh, yeah, depending on where.
Yes, and how the markets are doing and everything, you see.
But you're saying this can be cushioned in case of a loss?
In case of a loss, you do not feel the loss.
What?
They do not eat up your capital.
Okay, I think I need to re-strategize a bit,
Yes, they do not eat up your capital.
That's good.
But you do experience the gains in it. Okay,
then that's something that's a no-brainer, I think. But if you're not aware of such products, you wouldn't go into it.
No, you would not go into it.
Because for me, that's why you see I'm a strong believer. I know how bonds work and everything to do with bonds, and I'm just like, okay.
Yes.
But now, since you've mentioned something that might also I need to sleep on and just ponder that information.
Yes.
That's definitely something by next month I'll be...
You should.
No. No, that's 100% guaranteed, because that's like a financial building right now, and that's just me.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the best thing about it is, in as much as we recommend that you put some money in a bank account, we don't recommend that you put it there for long periods of time, because it does not grow as fast.
I think it's pointless having money just in a savings account to see the zeros plus inflation. The only way you can fight inflation is if your money is working for you somewhere.
Yes,
it has to be somewhere. You have to put it to work.
Why not take the money you have in your savings account, put it in a money market account, and let it grow for you daily.
I'm doing that. We'll have a chat after this. Okay, now another one, because I'm just trying to balance out this time. I don't want to leave anything out.
Yeah.
How can individuals strike a balance between saving for the future, enjoying wealth,